Hello everyone, today we will be calculating how to calculate beta. For beta calculation we need two variables. Variable one is the index value and variable two is a stock value. Whenever we download these two values, it will be coming in the form of OHLC. OHLC data is also used in technical analysis. The same data is available for both the stocks. One is for index and one is for the stocks. And the next thing that we have to do is we have to extract it on Excel sheet, where we have to note down the dates as well as the closing. We have to take only the closing price. Keep in mind, we have to take only the closing price of particular stock and the particular index. Okay, after extracting the both values, we have to calculate returns. There are various method of calculating returns, but one of the accurate method of calculating return is logarithmic return. Using logarithmic return, we can calculate the returns using ln function. Ln function is a very popular function which has been used by various investment bankings. This ln function is known to be very accurate. There have been various research articles wherein people are being saying that logarithmic returns are good compared to the arithmetic return. It is very simple. We have to take today's price divided by the yesterday's price. Let me show how this arithmetic return is going to be differing from logarithmic return. Arithmetic returns formula is today's price minus yesterday's price divided by yesterday's price. Sorry, it's yesterday's price. We will take this into bracket. Okay, we can see that there is a small difference between the logarithmic return and the arithmetic return. This is the arithmetic return, this is the logarithmic return. We can see a bit of accuracy in logarithmic return, so I am using logarithmic return for calculating NSE. We will drag this. Okay, the last will be the dummy column because we don't have the data. Similarly, we will do it for the stock. Now we have done it for returns of NSE. We will do it for this a particular stock. It's also simple. Is equal to ln bracket open today's divided by yesterday's, close, enter. Okay, there is a fall, so there is a negative return. Similarly, we have to do the same thing. I will drag. Similarly, this is going to be the dummy column. Okay, now I'm going to introduce how beta can be calculated. Beta can be calculated in various formats, but one of the easiest method of calculating beta is using slope function. You can even find many books saying slope is equal to beta. Okay, y, sorry, this is not going to be the y. Here they are saying that no y and known x. Basically y is the dependent and x is always independent. Here the dependent stock is the stock and x, the independent variable, is the returns of NSE. So what we do is first we take the returns. We will take 36 days because it will be almost equal to 6 months. Then comma, we will take the independent return, which is the NSE's return. NSE's return, that is also for 36 days, which is almost 6 months. Now enter. You can see the beta for 6 months. We can do something called as moving average beta. Okay, we can do something called as moving average beta, wherein by dragging this, a moving average beta will be drawn. Okay, let me do only for this till here. Okay, the main reason for calculating this moving average beta is because we know that beta is going to be changing from every single day. By this, we can come to know that beta, how is the beta of the stock, how the beta is going to change from here. When there is a change in beta, we will be able to identify in moving average beta. By this, we can even plot this thing into a chart where we can see how the beta is going to be. We'll take till here, line, insert, line chart, done. Okay, it's very easy, very simple. You can know how beta is going to perform. Okay, thank you one and all. Thank you for watching. Bye.